Today we got a quick video on installing a rubber floor mat from Auto Custom Carpets Inc. I got this from Rock Auto, so let's see how it goes. Okay, we are at a milestone for the Comanche. I think we are ready to install the, it's not carpet, it's a rubber floor. I've got everything sound insulated on the bottom and up there on the top. I've got most of the interior parts cleaned and or painted, and I've got this custom floor mat from Auto Custom Carpets Inc. Made in the USA. Got it from Rock Auto. Let's take a look at it. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Some installation instructions. We'll put them back here, and we will take this out and open it up. Okay, after opening it up, this is going to be fun. I assume that dip up, it goes to the firewall, and this is the back. Again, I'm making an assumption. I do have the original carpet over here, and I kept it specifically for this reason, to see if I have to do any matchup. So let's try to match it up. Okay, here is a comparison. Obviously, this area here goes to the firewall, and see how this bends up. So I think we're good with that. I do not see a hump for the tunnel. So, and I would assume these just go on the floorboard. Wow, not sure where to get started on this, but we'll try. So I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm going to start with the back since that shifter's in the way. I don't want it to take that shifter out. This is definitely easier if you've got two people. Okay, I think for a cleaner install, I'm going to pull this shifter off here. Go ahead and take this off, take these bolts off, and pop that shifter up. Yeah, this is not hard to take up. It just kind of twists. Got another video of that. I'll put a link right there. A little closer. Yeah, there's no way I could do this with the shifter in. I went ahead and took this heater diverter out. It is only 2 screws right here. So we'll set this over here. And if you look here, you see this little area that's indented right here. That looks like it is for this. So this is to go up a few inches this way, and I guess I'm going to have to trim the top to make that fit. Whew. This is not for the faint of heart. Lots of trimming. They do give you plenty enough to trim, but you definitely need to take out the shifter. If whether you have automatic or standard, it doesn't really matter. I would remove the shifter, and of course the little heater diverter. And almost got it lined up. The main trimming, by the way, you're going to need to do is underneath the dash, which of course is the hardest part to get to. Okay, I think I'm at a stopping point for my front to back fitment. I used these little indentions here for the floor rail here, you see, as a guide to start it here. And I'm about to go hook my accelerator pedal back up. So I did remove my accelerator pedal, and I'm going to drill some holes in and get this area all buttoned up. All right, I think I'm about done trimming it up. I bolted the accelerator pedal in, and I left just a little bit around the edges so I could put the plastic trim on. Let's go around the other side. You can see everything I trimmed off here. And so once this thing gets heated up, it will settle in and mold to the floor. So I'm not too concerned about that. All I used was a box cutter and some heavy-duty scissors. The box cutter mainly. It just be sure to change your blade, and it cuts through it like butter. So I'm liking it so far. So I still got to punch the holes for the seat belts and the seats. And then I got to put all these trim pieces back in. So I still got quite a bit of work to do, but not too bad. And also, I finally got the seat cover in to recover these seats. So you'll see a video on that coming soon. Well, I hope this inspires some of you to ditch the carpet and go with one of these rubber floor mats. I like it. I think it's going to serve its purpose for what I want for this Comanche. So I'll have a great weekend.